Is there any doubt in this factorization?
No, sir.
There's no doubt.
No, sir.
So yesterday I had mentioned that the same thing is called as
Sir.
splitting the middle term.
Splitting middle term.
So we have to look at the middle term here. It is 9. And this last one is called as a product and this is called as a sum. So we have to search two different numbers which makes the combination such that the sum is 9 and product is 20. So 4 and 5 are those numbers which will give sum as 9 and product as 20. Here the sum is 9, product is 20. So we have to group two terms together. Then we have to take common. If x is taken common, we get x plus 5. If 4 is taken common, we get x plus 5. Now we get x plus 5 as common. So we get x plus 5 into x plus 4. So all of you have understood this. Now I will be giving you a question. In this type of question, how to solve? Can we factorize like using the previous method, using the formula a x plus a into x plus b? Can we do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. How do we do it?
So we'll take 5 and 3.
We'll take 5 and 3.
Yes, sir.
5 and 3. Suppose if 5 is considered and 3 is
Sir,
considered,
here A is
the
equal
sum
to
becomes 8 and the product will become 3 into 5, which is 15. Can we use that? Chinmay is speaking something. Yes, Chinmay? Chinmay, can we do in this method by taking 5 and 3?
Yes, sir. We can do, sir.
So x square plus, instead of 8,
3 plus
5
5.
plus 3 into
5 plus
x
3x. Yes, sir.
plus
Plus
5
3
into
into
3.
5.
Yeah. 5 into 3.
So this can be written as x square plus 5x plus
Plus
3x plus 5 into 3.
Yes,
15.
sir.
Now we will group them into group of 2's. Then we will take x common, we get x plus 5 plus 3 taken common, we get x plus 5. Now we have x plus
we can
5
take
as
x plus
common.
5 as common, sir.
So x plus 5 multiplied to
X plus 3.
x plus 3.
X plus 3.
So in this type of questions related to factorization, we need to mention this symbol implies, or else you have to use equal to sign. If you are writing this as a first step, next step equal to sign should be used. So is there any
Yes, sir.
doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No,
Look
sir.
at this question. It's very interesting. Can we do the same thing here? Product should be 1, sum should be 7. Can we do it like that?
Yes,
It
sir.
is quite logical.
Minus 1
Sir,
plus
7.
Combination
How
of
will you
two
do it, sir?
numbers, if you multiply, you will not get 1. Actually, whenever some number is there along with
that is
the first term, this should be considered with 1 and product should be 16. This is one method. Another method is, if I make slight change in the question, if I write this as 16x to the power 4 plus, instead of 7x square, I will write 8x square plus 1 minus x square. Can I do it like this?
We can do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can do, sir. Because
Why?
minus you are increasing the order in 8, sir.
8x square minus x square is
So
7x.
this 7x
Yes, sir.
square I have changed as 8x square minus x square. So it can be done like that.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We can do, sir.
What is the use of writing in this way?
We
Let
can
me
group
tell
it
you.
by 2, sir. We can
That,
group it by twice.
8 into 2, sir. 16 will become, sir,
Both
8
will
into
be
2.
Now just observe this. If I write this as 4x square whole square, it is same as 16x to the power 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
This middle term I will write as 2 times of 4x
Into
square
4.
into 1 plus the last term I will write as 1 square minus x square.
So it is minus x square.
Did you understand this step?
No, sir. I am not understanding.
I have also not
Yes, sir, I
understood.
understood this step, sir, but I cannot understand why into 1.
We have to regroup. We have to regroup.
I will tell you. Here we have 16x to the power 4 plus 8x square plus 1. Observe only this part. Here 16x to the power 4 is obtained if we are writing it as 4x square whole square. This 1 is same as 1 square. This middle term is something like 2ab. Now I wrote this so that this becomes in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Observe it. A square is 4x whole square, 4x square whole square. B square is 1 square. 2ab is 2 times of 4x square into 1.
X square and 1.
You understood the logic here?
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
when you wrote
Yes, sir.
1 sir there.
1?
Yes, sir.
Tell
This
again.
one is B, sir.
1 is b here. Yeah, 1 is b. 1 square is b square.
So if you multiply by 1, we will get the same result, sir. So you have written 1 for the formula, sir.
Sir, 4x square is considered as a, sir, and b is equals to 1.
I wrote in this format so that I can use this identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square is a plus b whole square. So
4x
4x
plus 1 whole square.
plus 1 whole square. So whatever is there in the rectangular box here, I have written, followed by, I have to write this also, minus x square.
Minus x square.
Sir, we have to write 4x square, right?
Correct. Very good. 4x square plus 1 whole square. Is it correct now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Now observe, this is something like a square minus b square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Where a
Yes,
is 4x square plus 1, b is x. We know this
X, sir.
identity. This is a plus b multiplied to a minus b. In the previous one, it is a plus b whole square. Now if I use this identity, this becomes 4x square plus 1
Plus 1.
plus x into 4x square plus 1 minus x. It is a plus b into a minus b. So we have got two factors here for this expression.
Yes, sir. We can do directly.
It's little difficult.
Yes, sir.
You will come across so many questions of this type in class 9th. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have a concept called as a division of algebraic expression. This division is nothing but the inverse operation of multiplication. If we have 6 multiplied to 8 giving 48, 48 when divided by 6 will give 8. At the same time, 48 divided by 8 will give 6. Same
root
thing
18.
is applicable. This thing is applicable in case of algebraic expression also. 3x multiplied to 2x square is nothing but 3 multiplied to 2. The numbers are multiplied. We get 6. X multiplied to
cube.
x square is x to the power 3 because we have to use law of exponents. The power should be
Yes, sir.
added up. We get 6x cube, which means that when the product is divisible by one of this, we get the other. 6x cube divided by 2x square, we get 3x. At the same time, 6x cube divided by 3x will give 2x square.
Yes, sir.
A statement,
Polynomial.
a statement for you. Polynomial, you should understand what is polynomial.
Yes, sir.
An algebraic expression in which variables involved
terms.
have only non-negative integral powers is called as polynomial. Means the power of the variable has to be an integer, positive integer. We also should learn a degree of
Degree of
a polynomial. If we have
variable.
two variables, here is an example. There are two variables here. In this term also there are two variables. Degree should be considered by adding only the powers. 3 plus 3 is 6. The highest power of the variables in a term is called as degree of the polynomial. Here it is having degree 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6.
Yes, sir. 3 plus 3 is
If you look at this second polynomial, here the highest power is
2,
4.
sir.
4.
4.
This is the highest power. X
Yes,
square,
how
y
will I
square is
find
there. 2 plus 2 should be added. We get 4.
4.
Why we should know degree of the variable or degree of a polynomial? Why should we know that?
sir, where it is, sir? 4xy, 4x square, y square.
Remember, we always divide or we continue dividing a number if the divisor is smaller than a dividend. If we have something like 10 divided by 5, it's possible to divide 5
No,
divides
sir.
10 by giving the quotient as 2.
2.
2.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, if you have x to the power 3 and you are dividing by x square, the division is possible. We get into x as x cube.
Yes, sir.
Here look at the degree of this
Yes,
x
sir.
cube. Degree is 3. Divisor is x square. Degree is 2. So always you
Yes,
should
sir.
know that the continuity of the division will be there until the degree of the dividend is greater than the degree of the divisor. So we should know this concept of degree of polynomial. Sometimes a monomial will be given and you have to divide by another monomial. We follow a simple step. Step 1 is find the quotient of the numerical coefficients, then find the quotient of the variables, then multiply these two. If I give example, you will understand it better. If you have
Yes, sir.
56x to the power 4 divided by 28x, both these are
No,
monomials.
yes, cube.
Yes, sir.
2x cube, sir.
It is
2x
right.
cube,
2x,
sir.
Yes, sir. 2x
2x
cube.
cube is the correct
2x.
answer. It is written like this.
Sir, we
Yes,
can
sir.
minus the power, sir.
Yes, we can
Yes,
minus
sir.
the powers.
Minus 3 powers. Yes, sir.
And then divide the coefficients separately.
According to the
28.
previous steps, the numerical coefficients are to be divided,
Yes,
followed
sir.
by Algebraic
Variable.
variables should be divided.
By
One of the x will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
28 two times.
21
so
So
Wait.
2
x 2 cube.
x
x is
cube.
multiplied 3 times x cube. This is one
Yes,
of the
sir.
way to tell the answer. Another method is 56 by 28 is 2.
2
This
yes, sir.
can be written as x
4
to the
minus
power
x.
4 minus
Minus
1.
4 minus
x.
1.
We get
2x
2x
cube.
cube.
Yes, sir.
So both the ways we can tell the answer. It is simple.
So we can cancel.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Look at the next one.
Sir,
0.5
2xy.
xy.
1
One
by
by
2
2
xy,
xy.
sir.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
2
1 by 2 xy.
By 2
xy.
xy.
1 by 2 xy, sir. Answer.
Very good. Whenever we solve the algebraic expression, we better write in terms of fraction instead of decimals. It is no doubt 0.5 xy,
5
but
xy.
we prefer writing as a fraction 1 by 2 xy.
Fractions.
Yes. Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Sir, can we cancel directly, sir?
Sir,
Can
Sir,
we
we
cancel
can-
directly this 5628 directly without writing in the form of multiplication?
we have written now here 2.
Yes, sir. 2x 4 minus 1
This is
equal to
obtained
2.
directly only.
Yes.
I wrote in this format so that the one who has not
We
understood,
can understand
they
better.
will understand it.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
sir.
can understand better.
Look at this example you see. It is having a 3 term. So it is a polynomial divided by a monomial.
Monomial.
Whenever there is a monomial dividing a polynomial, we separate them. We split the polynomial and separately we divide. Like 3pq plus 2pr plus 4p, we are dividing by 2p.
2p.
So separate it, 3pq by 2p plus
Sir, 1.5.
2pr by 2p plus 4p
3 by
divided by
2 q
2p.
plus r plus 2.
Here p get cancels.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
P
Sir,
is
4
getting cancelled. Here 2
4.5
also
r cube.
and p also both will get cancelled.
2
2
2s are
twos are 4.
2.
P and p
p
get
gets
cancelled.
P get cancelled.
We get
The result we obtain is 3 by
1.5.
q
2q plus r
plus r
plus 2.
plus 2.
2.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So dividing a polynomial by a monomial, we separate that and we divide.
yes.
In this, if we do it, it is x cube by 2x plus 2x square by 2x plus 3x by 2x. I will write this as 1 by 2 x square
Yes.
plus
Yes, sir.
x
Yes, sir. X square
plus
minus
square.
2.
3 by 2. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
it
can
is
do
easy.
in this method only, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
We have different questions here. You have to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. Both are binomials here. How do we divide this?
So first we should divide by 2x, 10x and 25x. Again we should divide by 5x.
No, sir, you have to divide together, sir.
5x.
If we take 5 number, it should be
5, sir.
multiplied to both
Next
terms.
divided by 2x, sir. 25 divided by 5, sir.
First, I have
Yes,
written
sir.
in this format of writing numerator and denominator like that. Then I have to apply some logic. The logic is we can take something common from both the terms.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
5, sir.
5,
5
sir.
will be
5,
taken
5,
common.
yes, sir.
5x minus
Very
5.
good.
5x
5,
minus
sir.
5.
5, 5.
5 if you take common, what do you get? 2x we get?
2x
2x
Minus
2x
minus 5.
minus 25.
minus 5.
Minus 5. Minus 5.
minus 5 divided by 2x.
2x minus 5.
2x
Observe
minus
this.
5.
2x minus 5 is both there in numerator as well as denominator. They get cancelled.
Yes,
Ten X,
sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
we get the
Minus
result as
is obtained.
5.
So, good.
5.
5, sir.
So the answer is just 5.
Yes, sir. Do we have any other methods, sir?
Yes, sir.
Which method is there, sir?
Complete.
Long
So,
division, sir. Long
Long
division.
division method. Shall I tell you the long division method?
5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is long division method. If you do it in a proper way, it is called as the long division method. If you go wrong, it is called as wrong division method.
So it is long division.
Yes, sir. Long division. Divisor is 2x minus 5 and the dividend is
10x minus 25.
10x minus 25 is a larger number. To obtain this first 10x, I need to multiply 5. This is logic. 5 to
Yes,
be
sir.
multiplied to 2x. We get 10x.
5x.
5 multiplied to minus 5 is minus 25. In the division, we have to change the sign and add them. 25 added to minus 25 is 0. And 10x minus 10x, they get cancelled.
0.
0 again.
0.
The result is 0.
Yes.
So it means that the quotient is 5. 5 is the quotient.
Sir, answer can be come in points, sir, decimals.
You have to write in fraction.
It's better. We prefer writing it in a fraction. If you write in decimal, it is not wrong. Look at this. Answer is right in front of you. What is the answer?
So 2x plus 1 will get cancelled.
2x and 2x will be cancelled, sir.
15x plus 25.
Answer is this.
15x plus 25.
15x plus 25.
Sir, 15x plus 25, sir.
Since it is a question related
Yes,
to
sir. 2x
factorization,
plus 1, 2x plus 1 cancels.
question related to factorizations, right? So I am not
Yes.
multiplying that. I am writing it separately so that you will understand that this is one of the factors,
Yes.
this is another factor. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is easy. In this, what to do?
X
Sir,
square
we
y
can
minus
cancel.
x can be written as x plus y x
Write in
minus
this
y,
way.
sir.
Write in this way. Numerator and denominator. Now think.
2x.
What to do?
Sir, we
Sir,
can
X plus
Sir,
y
X
and x
and
square
y will
minus
be
y will
cancelled.
get
One
cancelled,
time-
sir, and we will
Yes.
be left by x minus y, sir.
This is like an identity a square minus b square, which is a plus
Yes,
b into
sir.
a minus b. So it is x
Yes, sir.
plus y into x minus y
X minus y.
divided by
X minus
2x multiplied to x plus y.
X plus y.
This x plus y is getting cancelled. Not
Yes,
only
sir.
that, x also get cancelled. And the result we
5x.
obtain
5 by
is
2y.
5 by 2.
okay,
5 by 2.
5 by
5x
5 by 2
minus
x. So it's
5x
Sir,
x
y.
is
minus y
remaining
square.
x minus y.
bracket x minus y.
Okay, this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
This is
Sir.
y. Y is not looking like y. Okay. Can you find the error? Somebody like me has written the answer here. You have to check whether the answer
Sir,
written is correct.
it should be 1x, sir.
The answer is the wrong, sir.
1x,
X is
sir.
not there,
So
sir.
1x.
You will all agree that it is wrong.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
We
X
can
into
write
1
that
is
1x.
x. Or x should be written, sir.
When x is multiplied to this, we should use distributive property. So x multiplied to 2x plus 1 will be same as 2x square plus x. So 1 written here is wrong. It has to be x. In
Yes,
this,
sir.
is there a mistake?
Sir, 9x square is not written,
should
sir.
be written, sir. 9x
X
square
should be there,
should
sir.
be written, sir.
9x,
We cannot
9x
9
And
plus
square plus 2x.
equal to 11x square.
9x square plus 2x.
Yeah, but look at here. 3 squared is 9, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, but x should be multiplied. Sir, x should be
X
Yes, sir.
square.
square, sir.
9x square.
3x into 3x will give 9x square.
So
Yes.
here
9x square.
the square is done on both 3 as well as x. So it has to be 9x square
3x whole square is
9x square.
plus
We
2x.
cannot add a 2x, sir.
But
Sir,
11x
this is
is
answer.
correct, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
11x is
No,
wrong.
It is wrong, sir.
We
This
cannot
is the
add, sir.
Sir,
final
this is only
answer.
the answer, sir.
This only the
This is the
answer.
final answer.
Final answer. How can
Very
I?
good, very good. Now we have a few questions. Without wasting much time, let's start solving this. The first question is to find the common factor for each of the given terms. 12x and 36, the common
3,
factor
sir.
is
3.
3.
12.
3, yeah?
Sir,
12.
we can do, sir.
12.
Yes.
Also, is correct, sir.
12 and 3 also.
3 also.
Sir, 11
Yes,
y.
sir.
I mean,
Yes,
2
sir.
y.
So,
2 y.
Sir, there are many common factors between them.
there
sir.
are many common
6 also,
factors.
sir.
1,
Many
2,
common
3.
factors,
Sir,
sir.
1, 2,
What,
3,
what,
4,
what I do
2,
is
3, 6, 4,
1, 2, 3, 4.
12x 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
4, 6,
12
6,
and x.
4,
12,
6.
and X. Yes, sir.
36 is divisible by 1. It
1,
is divisible by
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
4, 6,
6,
6,
6,
12,
9,
12,
12,
18,
18,
18, sir.
18,
18, sir.
18,
36.
36.
36.
In this, what are
Yes,
the
sir.
common factors?
Sir,
Sir,
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
3, 4,
1, 2, 3,
6,
4, and
12.
12.
6,
3,
12.
4,
6
6,
is
12.
also there. 6 is also there.
12,
Right?
Yes, sir.
12,
12.
sir.
These are the common factors. If the question
Yes,
is
sir.
find the highest common factor, 12 is the answer.
12, sir.
Yes,
12,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
HCF.
Yes, sir.
If
Sir,
you are,
how?
how?
How is the
Tell
how
again.
highest? Sir,
12 is how
12 is
highest.
the how? Yes, sir.
Among these common factors, you have to identify the larger one. The larger one is 12 only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why 12 is highest common factor.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Over to you. Tell me the common factors for this.
Sir, 2 only, sir. 1 and 2.
Sir, 1 and 2,
1,
sir.
1 and 2, sir. 1, sir, 1, 2, and Y.
2 y, sir. 1, 2.
1, 2,
1,
and
2,
Y.
2y. 2y.
1, 2,
Is
Y.
it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or should we write 1, Y, 2Y, and also 2? Should we write like this?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
We
sir.
can like this also,
Sir,
sir.
Why?
We can
Why?
2y
write.
also.
Sir, it can be written like that also, sir.
Yes, sir. It can be written
2y
like this.
also be written.
Sir,
Sir.
2I is also there, sir.
I am encircling this. This is underlined. Which one is correct?
Down
Underline.
on is correct, sir. Down on
2, 1, y,
This
2
The
is-
y,
upper
sir.
one, sir.
This is absolutely correct. So don't write it in this way, because this 22xy is divisible by 2y, and also it is divisible by y. It is divisible by 1. It is also divisible by 2. So these are the factors common for both these terms. So we have to write the answer like
1, 2.
1,
Sir, what will be the highest
Y,
common factor, sir?
2y.
2 or 2y?
2y. 2y.
2y, sir.
2y.
Because
Sir,
it
2.
having this variable.
Here, when you consider this complete thing as a question, 2y is the highest common factor. If you are considering only the numbers 2 and 22, 2 is the highest common factor. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this, now tell me the common factors. 1 is a common factor. 2
2,
is a
sir.
common
7,
factor.
sir.
7.
Sir, 7.
7 is a common factor.
7.
14.
14 is a common factor. P, Q,
And Q, sir.
Q
P
also,
and
sir.
Q.
PQ. It is divisible by
14
PQ, right?
PQ.
PQ.
Yes,
And
sir.
14 PQ.
Sir, 2 PQ.
Not only
Sir,
that,
2p.
2P,
2P, 2Q,
2Q,
7
2
7 7 PQ, 14
7P,
PQ,
7Q, 7PQ,
14
14P,
14 PQ,
14Q, 14PQ.
14 PQ.
So all of you have understood this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uday says, Naman Reddy says 28.
No, sir. 14 is the big. 14 can't be divisible by 20.
14 is the larger number which divides both
Yes, sir.
this 14 and 28.
14 PQ.
So we have to end at that, end at 14 only. There is no other number other than larger than 14. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In this, which are the common factors?
1.
Sir,
1 is a
1
common factor.
X.
1.
1, 2.
X.
2, sir.
X
1,
is
2.
not a
X.
common factor.
2 is not a common
No,
factor,
sir. No,
sir.
sir.
2 is not a
Sir,
common
1,
factor.
Yes, sir.
Answer is
1 and
just
Sir, only 1.
1 and X.
only 1.
Sir, 1
Yes,
X,
sir.
sir. 1 X, sir. 1 comma X.
Sir, X can't be written. 4 is there, sir.
X cannot be written. The reason is it is just 4. It is not 4x.
4 is there, sir. Just
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Very good. Now tell if this is the case.
Sir,
1.
1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
3,
A, B,
8.
A and B.
8,
No,
sir.
sir.
It,
A,
no,
sir.
it is
6
not.
is there.
8 is not correct. 6.
Sir,
6.
yes.
Okay.
6.
Yes, sir.
All these are divisible by A.
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
these
sir.
are
A, B.
divisible by
Yes,
B.
sir.
B.
But,
A, B,
but it
C.
is not divisible by
Not
C.
right.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
But it is
2 is.
divisible by AB.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
AB.
A, B.
Yes. Now we have to make the combination. It is
Sir, 1 A, B.
2A,
1 A, sir.
2B,
1
2AB,
1B, 1AB,
3A,
2A, 2B,
3B,
2AB, 3A, 3B,
3AB,
3AB, 6A, 6B, 6AB.
6A, 6B, 6AB. Which is the highest common factor?
Sir, 6 AB.
6AB,
Can't write, sir.
6AB,
Good.
6AB.
sir.
1 A, 1 B, 1 A, B.
Preetham has a doubt. Yes, Preetham. Yes, Uday. What is the doubt?
Sir, we can't write, sir. 1 A, 1 B, 1 A, B.
Sir, AB.
A
Uh,
means 1
1A, 1B, 1AB is already written.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Naman, doubt. Yes, Ashutosh, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, sir. Now tell there is a negative number also here. -4 is there.
Sir,
What to do?
Sir, 1 minus 2 X.
1,
Four.
correct. All these are
1, 2,
divisible
3,
by
4.
2. All these are divisible by
4, sir.
4. All these are
And
divisible
X,
by
sir.
minus
Minus
1,
1.
minus 2, minus 4.
Minus 2.
It
Minus
is
4,
divisible
sir.
by x also.
X.
And X, sir.
Now see here
Minus
x, 2x, 4x, minus x, minus
Minus X.
2x,
2X.
minus
Minus
4x.
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 Correct? Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now I
Yes,
will
sir.
tell you a question. Observe here. Can I write this as plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus y, plus or minus 2y? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You
Yes,
can.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can write.
So we get common
Yes,
factor,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
When 2y is divisible by 1, it is also divisible by minus 1.
Minus 1.
2y is divisible by 2, it is also divisible by minus 2.
Minus 2.
So when we write only 1, actually we have to think that it is divisible by both plus and
Minus
minus
also.
1.
Minus.
Okay, sir. Understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This-
If we write like this,
this
it will
concept-
decrease this space, sir.
Wait, this concept we are going to use in class 9. There is a factor theorem. In factor theorem, we are going to consider a number and write factors of that number. Then we use some logic. There we are going to use plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, something like that. Here, if you are not writing this, minus x, minus 2x, minus 4x, still
We can
your
write
answer is
plus or
correct.
minus x, plus or minus x, plus or minus 2x, plus or minus 4x, sir.
Correct, sir. Very good. So if you
Can
don't
we
write this
write,
all negative,
minus
still the
1?
answer is correct. So this need not be written. If you have written, it's okay. Coming to this question, they are all divisible by
Sir,
1,
1, 2,
Sir, 1,
5, 10, P, 1,
5,
1 P,
10,
10.
10,
2
Sir,
P,
10.
5 P, and 10 P.
Q.
P not sir. P no sir.
R, no, no, R not.
P not sir.
No.
No,
Correct,
sir.
sir.
P should not.
Very good.
P not sir.
We should not write P because in this P is missing. We should not
Q
write
also
Q.
Q will also not
In
come.
this Q
Q
is
also
not
not
there.
come, sir.
Q will
We
come.
should not write
R
R
will
also.
also not come.
Yes,
All are
sir.
not
No, sir.
common.
Only these are the common factors.
Here, sir, I have a
Sir?
doubt, sir.
Yes, sir. You are welcome. Yes, ask.
So only X and Y, sir.
Wait, I am waiting for him to ask the doubt.
Yes, sir. Here, uh, here all numbers factor common factor will be minus one also, no, sir. Like that, minus factors also will be there, no, sir. Why we not
That
write
is what I
minus?
said. They are all divisible by plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10. This answer is correct. But
Yes,
we usually consider only
Yes.
positive numbers.
positive numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This concept of writing plus or minus 1, I said in class 9th we are going to use like that. Is coming to the last one.
Only
3
X and
square
Y,
y
sir.
cube. 3 cannot be written, no?
No, sir.
This
Yes,
10 is
sir.
not
10 is
divisible
not
by
3 is not
10
divisible by
and yes,
1
sir.
can be written.
X and Y, sir.
X
X
can be
and
written.
Y.
Y.
1,
Y can be
Y,
written.
X square, Y square.
Somebody is traveling in train. Yeah. Dhruv is traveling in train.
No, sir.
Okay, sir. Can I write x square here?
No sir. It's
Yes, we can
we,
write.
No, sir.
we can
X,
X
Y
write
square
only.
also we
We
can
can
write.
write here.
XY also we can write. X square, Y square
no,
also
sir.
we can write.
Yes, sir.
Observe carefully. It is divisible by x square. This is also divisible by x square. This is also divisible by x square. Same way,
X square.
divisible by y square,
Yes, sir.
divisible by xy. Maximum we
X,
can
Y
have
whole
is
square.
x square, y square.
Y square.
Shobhan, we need not write it as xy whole square because in this question we have x square, y square, something like that. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Last question is second question. This is the last question for today's session. Let's quickly solve
Doubt,
this.
sir.
Not write the following expressions.
Which method should be used? Should we use identity?
Sir, we can use A
By
minus B square.
finding common factors.
Finding common
So we
factors
can
we'll use.
finding common
A minus B.
factors.
So here 7
Sir,
can
7
be
common
common.
factors. Sir.
Sir, 7 and
7
x
into
minus
6.
This is the answer. In
7
this,
bracket x minus
6 taken
Sir,
common.
Sir,
here
6 and p minus 2q.
P minus 2.
A minus 2Q.
6. 6
6.
p minus
In this,
7
Sir,
7a
7a common.
A
7
square.
A plus 2.
A plus
plus
4.
2.
Yes, sir.
In this,
plus 4z
yes sir.
minus 4xz plus ixz by
Sir,
4z.
X is not there.
Sir, no, sir.
No,
z.
sir.
No to write z. Z square will become remove z
Sir,
square.
only if you write there minus 4, sir. Plus.
Is it correct now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it is correct.
Minus
Or
Z plus
I'm writing R. Minus 4z if you take common. You get positive 4 and negative 5z.
oh, no, sir, we get then negative.
This
Yes,
also
sir.
is correct. This also is correct.
Sir, doubt.
Doubt. Shall I end today's session here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now
Bye,
moving
sir.
to.
Thank you.
Hey, wait.